Do you struggle with procrastination and have a hard time getting started on tasks? I'm Dr. George Sachs, a clinical psychologist specializing in ADHD, and here's 3 tips to help you overcome procrastination. You can remember them with the acronym RAN, R-A-N. The first tip is rewards. Adults with ADHD need a lot of rewards to get going and started, so make sure you add in rewards to the task that you're not getting done. So for example, think about going to Starbucks and getting your favorite drink after you complete it. Or maybe you buy something from Amazon that you always wanted. Hopefully the reward will motivate you to get started. Second is accountability. This idea that other people are holding us accountable or at least working with us is super supportive and can motivate us to get things done. So think about a co-working space, or grab a friend and body double with them. And that means the 2 of you are on Zoom working independently, but the shared sense that you're working together gives you the accountability to finish what you need to get done. And finally, novelty. This is the idea that we need something new to stimulate us. And so one idea I use is that I always go to a different coffee shop when I'm feeling stuck. The new surroundings and the environment really help motivate me, fire up the dopamine in my brain, and help me get things done. So again, remember the acronym RAN, R-A-N, when you're really struggling on task avoidance and procrastinating, and you need a boost to help you get things done. For more tips on ADHD, follow me or double tap the screen.